Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you.
Can you look at us, Lauren? Are you too busy?
I have to do this. I have to put these all around it.
Oh, are you making it pretty? Well, Auntie Kimmy, I hope you got our birthday cards. And I hope they were as beautiful as this cake.
Happy birthday!
Oh, good blowing out the candles. Are you going to cut a piece of cake for her?
I am. But first we have to take all these. See the icing? No. See the liquid? No. This is the liquid. No, she likes the icing. I don't. No,
Do you think Auntie Kimmy likes ice cream with her cake?
Yeah. And this is ice cream.
Good. Oh, she's going to enjoy that. Okay, do you guys have anything else to say to Auntie Kimmy? Enjoy your special day?
No.
No, what do you say, Laura? Look at me.
Visited lying at the door. And we have, and we're getting ready. And we have a 4-leaf clover that kicks on a door with a big kicks on it.
That's right. And why is there
a birthday cake for you?
Why is there a 4-leaf clover on the door?
Because it didn't. Because it's almost St. Patrick's Day.
That's right. Okay, say happy birthday, Auntie Kimmy.
Happy birthday, Auntie Kimmy. Because we have a birthday cake for you right here on your box.
Oh.
And we have another one with ice cream in it.
Oh, that's excellent. She's going to enjoy that. Okay, well, we're thinking about you. I hope you enjoy your special day. Hope your pedicure went well. Bye.